feeling so far?
I feel good. Ready to go.
Alright, we're gonna have some fun.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is start on the left side of the circuit like so. I'm going to speed up to make a little bit of a gap. Normally once we get to this new guardrail, all being please. Big brakes, big brakes, big brakes, big brakes, big brakes. Very good, alright. Go ahead and make a U-turn if you can make one. If not, go through the orange cones. It'll pull up parallel to my car again, and we'll do this again. Catch it, catch it. Almost. Go ahead, blue car. Let's go. Looking good. There you go. Good job. Good job. And you're going to come around and you're going to get right in behind the average. We're going to do this again. So when you're ready, you can go. Nice and relaxed. React to what the car does. I can't. Take down, enjoy the ride. That's a combination right there. I lifted off the gas and the back end slid, and then I applied gas and the back end slid. So that's two conditions. One is oversteer caused by lifting off the throttle abruptly. The other is giving it too much gas for the...
This is a 70% grade hill. And what we demonstrate here is something called hill hold. We'll see if the tires hold on this, because it's pretty wet up here. We just went through a lot of mud. So I accelerate up the hill. Right about here, I'm actually going to brake and press hill hold. So we're actually just holding here. I'm not on the brake, the car's just basically holding here. But I've seen it where you don't see the walls. I actually called in, I'm like, can I even do this? Is it gonna dance? They're like, it's fine, just don't hang out in here too long.
Don't open the door.
I can't believe how little roll you've got.
Yeah. This wears on your body off-road coaching much less. And this is 45 degrees.